Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to another learning lessons in my Physio-Pulse channels. Today we will discuss about the fatty acid beta oxidation steps and the energetics of beta oxidations. In the last class, we have learned about the preparatory steps of beta oxidations. And today we will discuss about the steps of beta oxidations in a simple, easy to understand way. You will find clear explanations, diagram, and important concepts here. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Now let's understand about the beta oxidation steps. Each cycle of beta oxidation liberating two carbon units acetyl-CoA which occurs in a sequence of four reactions. The four reactions are the dehydrogenation, hydration, again dehydrogenation and then cleavage. Now the first steps, dehydrogenation, where the FAD-linked dehydrogenase enzyme is there. Here the acyl-CoA undergoes the dehydrogenation by FAD-dependent flavo enzymes, and acyl-CoA dehydrogenase also helps there. A double bond is formed between alpha and beta carbon, that is number 2 and number 3 carbons. So this FAD, when it enters in the electrotransport chain, it will produce 1.5 ATP molecules. Now in the second step, hydration, there the NOL-CoA hydratase enzyme brings about the hydration of the double bond to form the beta hydroxyacyl-CoA. In the third step, dehydrogenation again. Here the beta hydroxyacyl-CoA dehydrogenase enzyme catalyzes the second oxidations and generates the NADP or NADH. And this NADH enters into that electron transport chain. It will produce the 2.5 molecule of ATP. And ultimately the product is formed, that is the beta ketoacyl-CoA. Now in the step number 4, the cleavage. And final reaction in beta oxidation is the liberation of two carbon fragments. One is the acetyl-CoA from acyl-CoA. This occurs by a thiolytic cleavage, that is catalyzed by the beta ketoacyl-CoA thiolase enzyme, or that is thiolase. So the new acyl-CoA containing the two carbon less than the original. So this will go to further recycles until the fatty acids or fatty acid will oxidize completely. So if you see the steps where this is the palmitoyl-CoA carbon number 6, 16, and with the help of FAD and acyl-CoA dehydrogenase, in the first step it will produce that is the delta 2 trans NOL-CoA. Then one molecule of H2O is added. There is the hydratase enzyme. With the help of this enzyme, it will convert to form the beta hydroxyacyl-CoA. And now this beta hydroxyacyl-CoA, what happened with the help of dehydrogenase enzyme and NADP requires NAD plus, and it will convert to form the NADH plus, then beta ketoacyl-CoA form. Ultimately, in the thiolase enzyme and CoA-SH, it will split to form, there is the carbon 14 acyl-CoA and one carbon 2 of acetyl-CoA. This acetyl-CoA goes to the TCA cycle. Particularly, it will goes to the TCA cycle and to oxidize there and to get the energy or ATP. And now this acyl-CoA again recycle to goes to the return to the previous steps, that is this here. And so carbon 16 it will convert, then carbon 14, and ultimately 14 to 12, 12 to 10, 10 to 8, 8 to 6, 4. This way it will be oxidized. So if you have to calculate the energetics of the beta oxidation, what we will find there? First of all, activation of fatty acids require 2 ATP molecule. One cycle oxidation of fatty acid produces 1 NADH, that is 3 ATP, and 1 FADH 2 ATP. So acetyl-CoA entering the citric acid cycle produces the 1 acetyl-CoA to 12 ATP. We know that TCA cycle, it will enter, when entered, it will produce the 12 ATP molecule. So in this cycle, 7 cycle is happening here. So in the beta oxidation process, 7 FAD is produced there, 7 into 1.5, that is 10.5 molecule of ATP, and 7 NADH is required, that is 7 into 2.5, that is 17.5 molecule of ATP. And now in acetyl-CoA, when it goes to the TC cycle, it will produce 10 molecule of ATP, and in the 8 cycle, that is 10 into 8, 80 ATP is produced. So ultimately, you will get the 108 molecule of ATP, and 2 ATP has been already lost, that is the 108 minus 2, that is the 106 ATP. So this is the new concept, but if we see the old concept, there we will see that that is 129 molecule of ATP is formed there. So students, if you find this video very helpful, Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any biological lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the